So hi guys, welcome to my channel, the Worlds Apart channel. So I'm here again with yet another good opportunity for you guys. So MSc is hiring in Mombasa on the 14th and 16th of June. That is next week. So guys, you need to gather around. I have some really amazing news for you guys. So they're recruiting in the bar department. They need a bartender, they need a bar waiter and a bar boy. In the housekeeping department, they are in need of a cabin steward, a minibar attendant, and a crew cleaner. In the galley department, they need a first chocolatier, assistant chocolatier, a second cook, an assistant cook, and a kitchen utility. In the restaurant department, they need waiters. For the specialty department, they need a specialty restaurant manager and an assistant cook, fine dining. So candidates with fluency in English, minimum 2 years working experience in a 4 or 5 star hotels or cruise line in a similar position. Please register by following the link below. There is a link right there. I'll show you how to go around it. So also guys, kindly send your updated CV and supporting documents to cy974-cruisejobskenya@msc.com, or you can follow them on the social media platforms that they have named there. So guys, remember the recruitment is free. We have no agents acting on behalf of the company, so you can apply this on your own. All you need is a good CV. You can add a cover letter right there, and also you can add a recommendation letter right there, which I do for you guys. So if you're in need of a cover letter, a CV, a good CV that represents the job that you're gonna be that are listed down on this poster, you can call me, or you can actually contact me via WhatsApp. 0794-222-937 is my number. Contact me. I'll be able to hook you up with a good CV, a cover letter, and also a recommendation letter to accompany your CV. So guys, I want to show you around how to go around the registration form. So let's just go back here a bit. Let's open the where the link is exactly. Let's just hop in right there. Let me walk you through how you are going to go around it. So this is the MSc Cruise online application form for the Mombasa opportunity. So MSc Cruises online application form, the survey will take approximately 5 minutes to complete. This is a candidate's contact form. Please fill out the following questionnaire, and one of our recruitment associates will get in touch with you for the upcoming opportunities, guys. So that's should link one of your email. Should just put your email right there, your surname down below, your other names, your nationality right there, your age, the gender, whether you're male or female, your mobile contact number right there, an alternative contact number right there, your email address, your county of residence, your passport, whether you have it. So you should answer yes or no, but for this opportunity you should have a passport at the moment that we are talking about this application or this recruitment, guys. So you put your ID number. You should say whether you should clarify whether you have a US visa or not right there. So if you have done your STCW certificates, you should also categorically say yes or no right there. They're in need of that. So the COVID-19 vaccination, you should say whether you're vaccinated or not. So once you go to next, you're just gonna have a section that that's a bit of more questions right there. Easy questions, guys. Not because I've not filled any of these boxes, they will not allow me to go to the next page. Let me try and see whether no I have to fill this page first so that I can go to the other page. So it's just questions about you that they really need. Then you're just gonna fill register, and they're gonna have you in their database. So it's very easy, guys. So for the STCW certificate, guys, it's done in Bandari Maritime College. So after they've picked you, you should they will advise you accordingly what should happen next. There is an English test that you're supposed to do, so that comes after you've been able to make it to the other side. So Guys, this is another great opportunity, another wonderful opportunity, guys, and you should take advantage of it. Opportunities are so many here, guys. There's a bartender, bar waiter, bar boy, cabin steward, minibar attendant, crew cleaner, first chocolatier, assistant chocolatier, second cook, assistant cook, kitchen utility. Kitchen utility ni mtu wa kuosha vyombo. There's a waiter. There's a special actually a kitchen utility do not need a qualification, guys, or you just need a good CV, a good cover letter, and a recommendation letter to say that you worked at this and this place, and you have a 4 or 5 star experience, guys. So if you need a CV, guys, I can do that for you. Just contact me via WhatsApp 0794 222 937. Those are my contacts. You will reach me there. I'll be able to hook you up with a good, and you'll be able to make it to this hiring this recruitment process, this recruitment in Mombasa as soon as possible. Remember, it's next week. You should make sure that you have these documents and you're able to send them as soon as possible, guys. So see you then in another recruitment process and in another video where I'll be talking. We talk matters recruitment. We make sure that everybody has a job on board this cruise ship. So guys, tell a friend to tell a friend. If you find this video very informative, you can share with your family and friends. Like my page, guys. Like, just put there's a like button there. Just put a like button there for the sake of making sure that it gets to as many people as possible. Subscribe to my channel, the Worlds Apart channel. I'll be bringing you more content. So guys, don't worry. More recruitment will be coming in Kenya. If you don't make it to this one, there's always a next one, guys. So see you then.